Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. It's not the morning, it's the evening. I actually forgot that it was Friday, but I had to do this because this is the last Friday of 2019 and we've been meeting on these Fridays to always say, it's the freaking weekend, baby! Clap it up. And everybody was waiting for that and I didn't show up this morning. Here's the reason why I didn't show up. Hey guys, come here. Jaden. Show your face real quick, Jay. That's Jaden. Nani. Show your face real quick, mama. Kosi. And Farai.
Hey.
Alright, y'all go. And of course, and tomorrow, Kai is gonna be here. For everybody that's been asking about Kai, he went with his mom. They went to go do Christmas with her family, and then she's gonna be here, and we're all gonna bring in the New Year's together. So that's what it is. So I've been extremely busy, and I forgot that it was Friday. So let me say this: the video that you're about to watch was already uploaded, are set to upload. So I'm just adding this part to it. It's the weekend. It's the last weekend, the last Friday of 2019. Manners and respect to everybody that's supported this channel for the entire year of 2019. For those of you who have tuned in, shout out to the people. I can't say shout out to the people going out to work. I can still say it because someone is going out to work right now. So shout out to the people going out to work, the people coming in from work. Extra special big up shout out to the people who have to work right through the holiday season. No days off, no time off, no holiday vacation, nothing. Shout out to the people who work 2 jobs, right? Extra special big up shout outs to those people as always. My entrepreneurs, my job providers, my stay-at-home moms and pops, my retirees, all these people. Shout out to every single person out there, my truck drivers. Shout out to my Uber, my Lyft drivers. Stay safe on the roads out there, especially those of you who live in places where it's like snowy and bad weather. Or not bad weather, the weather is never bad. It's us, you know what I mean. All right, so let me say this. Be safe out there, right? And surround yourself with love. And surround yourself with... And remember, it's okay to be alone. Okay, you don't have to go push up under people and then find out that you're getting mistreated or accept mistreatment. You are worth more than that. So sometimes it's okay to be alone too. Now, be safe throughout the weekend. And we will connect again before we ring in the new year. Matter of fact, I'm planning on going live New Year's, but the thing is, people live in different time zones, so it'll be different for everybody else. So I'll probably just do one big video and just post it for every single body at one time, whichever way that is. What I'm going to ask y'all to do is, a lot of you are subscribed to the channel, but you're not subscribed properly, and I didn't find that out until recently. So you know, a lot of people were saying, SouFlo, how come we're not getting no video notifications? Every once in a while I get notified. The reason is, when you click that red button that says subscribe, there's a bell next to the red button. When you click that bell has 3 choices. One of the choices is that you get all the videos that are uploaded. Another one is that you only get some of the videos that are uploaded. And the third one is you want YouTube to tailor the videos to your liking. Just click the one that says send me all the new uploads, please. Okay? And then you will start getting every single video as soon as they're uploaded. That's it. The video you're about to watch is about phone etiquette for relationships. I did 20 videos yesterday for this channel. I sat here and I did 20 videos yesterday on some very interesting topics, and I'll be uploading on the rapid. I hope you can keep up with the pace, and I'm here for you throughout the holiday season. Enough respect to y'all, man. Manners and respect, big up yourself. As you can see, we're at 196,000 subscribers. We're heading up to 200K. The goal was to have 200,000 by January, and of course it didn't happen to ring in the new year with 200K, but that's okay. We're still going to get there anyways. And the thing about that is we are not stopping. All right, So big up to y'all, and make sure you're also subscribed to my other channel, which is no longer a family vlog channel because YouTube changed their rules. It is now SouFLoTV. Is a completely different channel where I do things differently than what is done on SouFLoTV. So it's different topics from different genres that has nothing to do with what we normally do over here. All right, I'm gonna leave this one, and you can now go check out the video for phone etiquette for relationships. And there's one comment called a man's responsibility in a relationship 101. That's gonna be very interesting. Then the one called woman's responsibility in a relationship 101, very interesting as well. But enjoy this one. Big up to y'all, and again, have a safe weekend. Up, which means wake up, wise up, and rise up. I'm out. Enjoy. Hello? Yeah, what going, brother? Yeah, I just come from the gym, innit? Had a good workout. What you said, she's stressing you out. You calling and she not answering. You're texting and she not texting back. Oh, well, hear what? I not let no woman stress me, you know. This what I do. This how I deal with it. I make sure I have somebody that answer as soon as I call. So if she don't answer when I call, I just call the next thing, and the next thing answer right away every time. If she don't answer my text, I just text the next thing, and the next thing answer my text right away. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, don't stress yourself over people, because hear what? Grown people do what grown people want to do, you know what I mean? And grown people make excuses. They give some people excuses and they give some people extra effort. So you the one she giving excuses because she giving somebody else extra effort, innit? Well, you feel she cheating? Listen, I don't confront my girl, you know, because if I confront her, you know them women stay already. They talk about you insecure, they know I'm not doing nothing. So anyhow she make me feel like she cheating, I just go run a one program myself. I don't care if she not cheating. If she make me feel like she cheating, I just go run a one program. So at the end of the day, when we find out, yeah, it won't be, oh God, I gave my whole self to you and you do me like this. No, it will be more like, well, it's alright because I was doing the same thing you was doing, innit? Alright, my SouFLoTV audience, listen, a lot of people, everybody wants to be booed up. Everybody wants to be in a relationship. Everybody want to be with somebody that's tight with them. That's somebody, a bed buddy, partner, lover for life. That's why when you see couples together look like they're flourishing, you go over there and you put couples goals, and, or even if you don't put couples goals, you're like, man, I wish that was me. I want something like that, right? Thing is, everybody want to be in grown people relationship, but I'm realizing that a lot of people, those same people, don't want grown people responsibilities, and that's the reason why you keep going from relationship to relationship to relationship, which is not a good thing, because every time you finish a relationship that you were invested in, heart, soul, mind, body, you are jaded, you are damaged. And the more relationships you go on from, the more jaded and damaged you are. You understand what I'm saying? So the goal is to find one that lasts forever. Now, what we're going to talk about now is, this one is called cell phone etiquette 101 for relationships. We live in a world where the cell phone controls pretty much everything. This ain't back in the day when you had to go to a computer or the cell phone was like this big. You remember those cell phones? Those days are gone. Everybody has this. And this has destroyed a whole lot of relationships that would have otherwise survived had it not been for this, right? So we're going to talk about cell phone etiquette 101 for relationships. Now, if you want to be single, just go ahead and do your single people stuff. Nobody cares. Go live you. But let everybody know that you're single. Single and free to mingle. But if you are in a committed relationship, this is for you. So, I have 5 cell phone etiquettes for 101 for relationships. This video won't be too long. It will not be more than 10 minutes. And you might want to get your significant other to watch this as well. Here we go. Number 1, no private passwords. If you are in a relationship, I'm talking about a committed relationship, a monogamous relationship, a relationship where you live together, or you are so tight that you're planning on living together. Let's talk about living together, married. engage one of those kind of tight relationships, there should be no private passwords. Your partner should be able to pick your phone up, know your password, and get into your phone just like that. Or if, say for instance, you had changed your password recently and they no longer know the password, your partner should be able to say, babe, let me get into your phone real quick. And you are in the other room and you are able to say, it's star 1975, babe. And your partner should be able to go star 1975, bam, into the phone. There should be no private passwords. If your partner has a private password on a cell phone and you cannot get in and they do not want you to access their phone, then big red flag, okay? And I don't care what anybody tells you. Don't let anybody turn you into a dummy. Big red flag. The cell phone is very powerful, like I said before. You could do a whole lot with this. So, for the simple fact that you're not able to access this device might simply mean that there's a whole lot going on that you don't know about that you might want to know about. Okay? Number 2, no secret phone calls. No secret phone calls. There's no reason for your partner, you chilling at home, you sitting, you watching a movie, and her phone rings or his phone rings, and they take the phone, turn the volume all the way down, and take the phone and go outside and start walking around the building where you live at, or somewhere where all you see is this. But you can't hear anything. You should be able to hear every single phone call that they are on. Okay? If your partner has to run and hide or get so far away from you that you cannot hear what they're talking about on any phone call, then that means red flag. They are hiding something that they don't want you to hear. Now, they might be planning a surprise party for you. I don't know. But it might be something that they don't want you to hear. Otherwise, explain to me why a partner would hide and speak to someone on the phone when you are their committed partner. So, again, no secret phone calls. Number 3, no hiding anything. And that means entertaining others, sexting, all that other stuff. Whatever you do on your cell phone behind your partner's back, you should be able to do it in front of your partner on your cell phone. I was watching this comedian recently, and the comedian said, yo, I'm too old for this. I'm a grown ass man. I don't want to be in a relationship where we hiding stuff from each other. I'm in one room of the house. I'm over here watching porn, and she coming, and I gotta switch the channel and act like I was doing something else. I want to be in a relationship where I'm free. I'm watching porn. She over there watching porn. She hiding it from you because you come in. I want to be in a relationship where if I'm watching porn and I see something I like, I'm supposed to say, babe, come here. Come check this out. I want to try this. You know what I'm saying? And she knows what you're doing, or you know what she's doing. So, no hiding anything. If you have to see your partner coming towards you and suddenly you're scrolling so far down that if they were to scroll up, they still couldn't find what you were looking at. You're trying to bury it so fast, or you see them doing all kinds of crazy stuff with their phone while you're walking towards them, or body positioning. Then you are hiding something, okay? So no hiding anything. Open and free use of your phone in front of your partner. If I'm texting, my wife's supposed to see what the hell I'm texting, okay? If someone's calling, my wife's supposed to be able to hear that conversation unless I'm going to interrupt her in what she is doing. So I say, and I take it to the garage or take it outside, okay? And if she says, babe, let me hold your phone real quick. Oh, you changed the password? Oh, yeah, babe, forgot. It's 1479 star. All right. That's how it should be, okay? And that's not just for men, it's for the man and the woman, for vice versa. Now, that was number 3. Number 4, call anytime. FaceTime anytime. And I'm talking about 24/7. If you are in a committed relationship and you have a time rule on when you're supposed to call and when you cannot call, big red flag. More than likely there's something going on. And I don't want to call normal hours. I want to call in some crazy hours. I want to call at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. I want to FaceTime at 4 and 3 in the morning. And I want to especially if you're in a committed relationship and your partner is traveling. One staying at home, you're in different locations for whatever the reason might be work, might be vacation, might have went to visit family in another state, whatever the reason is. But I should be able to call you at whatever hours I feel like it. I would prefer for your partner is supposed to do like this. Even if they're dead asleep, they're supposed to care so much about you that because you're not too close to each other, the phone is right here. And as it rings, hello? Oh, FaceTime. Oh, hi, babe. Babe, you really called me at 3? Oh, my God. I was sleeping, yo. And you know it's hard for me to go to sleep. Man, what's up? And then your baby is going to be like, you all right? Man, I couldn't sleep. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't sleep. I need somebody to talk to. You know, you my strength. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is. Oh, my God, this better be good because you woke me up. But at least you answered. If your partner is not able to answer your phone call at any given time, and the excuse is not that it is within their work hours, if it's one of them weird hours, stuff going on that you need to know about. Plain and simple. Fifth and the last one, all access granted. Meaning, your phone is my phone. My phone is your phone. And we're going to leave it at that. Like I said, a lot of people want to be in grown people relationship, but they don't want the grown people responsibilities. You cannot make somebody be a secured person or or make somebody be a confident person, but you can definitely do things in a relationship to make your partner start having insecure thoughts. And you don't necessarily have to be cheating. It's just the way you move. And it is your duty in a committed relationship to make sure that your partner knows that you have nothing to worry about. It's me and you. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Cell phone etiquette 101 for relationships. I'm out. Peace.